Hey everybody, thanks for coming back checking out our video. We got another product for you guys today. This one's actually about the Tesla, and it's from Speed. It's a little magnetic car mount, and it's this little guy right here. So let's see what's in the box and go get it mounted. Alright, so we got the box right here, right? And you can see it has the little logo there or whatever. So this is the actual product that's in there. I already put this on there. It just screws on, pops onto that little ball joint there. But this sticks to the back and then folds around, and comes with the little wipe, little cloth thing like you get with sunglasses or whatever. Has a bunch of accessories here, which is little rings, and it also has for like the older iPhones that don't have the mag on the back of it, instructions. And it has this little guy, which is a little guide that shows you how to put this on there. So again, this is everything that it comes with right here. And yeah, we're going to hop over here into the Tesla right now, and we're going to show you guys how we put all this on there. You would use this for something like if you wanted to use Waze to see the police, for example, or if you just prefer Waze. Or Apple Maps or Google Maps, whatever. If you don't want to use the map that's on the Tesla, or if you want, various things. If you want to use your iPhone for whatever reason, this is what you would get to use it in the Tesla. So let's go over here and hop in the car and check it out in the Tesla. So what this thing does is it's going to just stick right back here on the back, kind of like right here on the back of this display, tucked in there out of the way. Now, on this install frame they give you right here, it's going to sit on here like that, and it's going to tell you to mount it exactly where it needs to be so it's hidden when not in use. So all you do is, now you clean back there. I've already cleaned back there. Now of course you're going to take the 3M tape off, but all you do is you stick it in that little slot and slide it down, and voila, it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now because I need 2 hands. Alright, now that you see it's mounted but you can't see it, like you can kind of see it right there, but if you're in the car driving and you're not using it, you won't notice it. So you reach around and you just pull it up, and boom, there it is. Now there's a button back there in the back. I should have showed it to you before I mounted this, but I didn't, sorry. But there is a button right here somewhere. There it is, right back there. You're going to push it, and this extends out to wherever you want it to be, just like that. So yeah, there's this little sticker on here, final piece, boom. Now, because I'm OCD, I gotta have that twisted. Okay, now we can take your iPhone, obviously, and you're just going to stick it on there. Voila, boom, just like that. Now let's say you wanted it adjusted. This little gadget here actually slides in and out more. So I mean, you can do it like way out there if you want. Yeah, I mean that kind of is too far out for my liking, but yeah, you just slide it back in to where I like it. Maybe right here. Maybe we'll put it right there. And boom. And there you go. Now it doesn't block, if you see here, it does not block your drive function where you swipe up and down on the Highland here, the new one. And yeah, that's a great little addition there if you want. I'm gonna have a link below to that. When you're done, you just put it away. So now I got it extended out. You can see it a little bit right there, but you really can't see it that much. Again, I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. That's what this is, so it's huge, so that's what she said. Anyway, so yeah, if you have a smaller iPhone, like a normal iPhone 15 Pro, not the Max, you would slide that in more. Yeah, easy peasy, super simple install, very good quality it seems like. So yeah, we'll be right back. Alright, so that's the Speed iPhone mount for the Tesla Model 3. Actually, all the Teslas. It goes in with the screen, but it's for the iPhone, and it's right there. It's mounted, and yeah, it's good. It's good. Good quality, it seems like. Fast, easy install. Thank you, Speed, for sending that to me. And yeah, if you want it, guys, as always, any links to any products that I use, like for this, for example, will be in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, shoot me a message, comment below, anything like that, shoot me a message on Instagram, all that good stuff. So anyway, guys, until next time, guys, hope you enjoyed it. See ya. Bye.